What's up, everybody? How's everybody doing today, man? You already should know how it goes. It's your boy B back with another video. You guys mean so much to me. If you don't know who I am, my name is Brandon Jones, and I specialize in helping you make an extra income. Yes, I said it. You make an extra income. Guys, I have not shot a video like this, honestly, in a while. Maybe like a week. You might be still seeing videos, but that don't mean I literally recently shot it. And guys, I can tell you, I've been so busy just trying to get things in order, and you guys will see it all through the vlogs that I do drop on this channel and soon to be on my vlogging channel. I'm waiting till that channel get like 100 subscribers, and then I'll be putting on my vlogs over there. But guys, if you have not already, make sure you guys subscribe to my vlogging channel, Educated Hustler Vlogs. That is going to be the channel where I literally go every single day showing you my life, what I'm going through. Today was a very depressing day. I don't want to give it all away, but just know my life is forever impacted with the decision that I made, a sacrifice that I gave up. And I gave the sacrifice up because, quite frankly, I had an option, but I didn't. Like, I could have not gave it up, but I would have been suffering on the back end, and I decided, you know what, I gotta make a wise decision, and I have to sacrifice now for later. So guys, nevertheless, I am at this point just going along with my entrepreneur journey and becoming a better me, and that's why you're watching this. And I have this video. I'm happy about this because it was brought to my attention. I have a lot of students that have eBays, MERCARIs, Amazons, even OfferUps, right? And what they're trying to avoid is returns. Okay, if you don't know what returns are, then you're not doing enough sales. Okay, because everybody has returns, everybody has fraudulent returns, everybody has legitimate returns. You can't satisfy every single customer, but the key to business is making sure that you're satisfying everybody with every single drop and molecule in your body if possible. Making sure that, let's say the customer isn't satisfied, they're not happy with their product, make sure that customer is satisfied with the resolution that you come up with them, and you work with them. Right now, when it comes to these returns, they hurt your platforms, whether it's eBay, whether it's Amazon. That is going to hurt your platform. It's going to hurt your rating. It's going to hurt you as far as a seller in general, right? And I'm not even talking about just your sellers and catalogers, your sellers ranking. I'm literally honestly talking about your profits. I'm talking about your brand. I'm talking about so much more, right? When it comes to you having a business, understand that your business should be like your baby, and you should really care about people's opinions when it comes to your baby, right? Now, one thing I will say is, do not be one of those business owners trying to please everyone, because you can't please everybody. You just have to stay true to you and your brand. Prime example, I'm not going to make my products cheaper because someone deems my service to be cheaper than what I deem my service to be. I'm going to label myself and my business to the category or to the specifications as I deem, as I see, right? Now, when it comes to these returns, guys, I actually wrote down 4 key points that I want to go over, that I've literally sat there and seen in about 5 different eBay stores that I'm working with. And I want you guys to stay on top of this so you don't have to deal with any type of returns or any type of customer issues. Right now, the first thing I'm going to bring up is don't follow the leader. Now, what do I mean by don't follow the leader? I literally mean do not follow the leader. A lot of us, we go, prime example, on YouTube. Y'all know I love to use YouTube as an example. You go on YouTube and you see somebody selling a can opener. Okay, and that can opener, this person is telling you made him $10,000 a month. If that is the case and it made him $10,000 a month, that does not necessarily mean it will work for you in your area, your demographic. It doesn't mean it's going to work for your Shopify store. If you see Brandon selling AirPod replicas, it doesn't mean that it's going to work for you. So it's always good to make sure that you're not just following somebody because of the success of a product, but instead, if you sell AirPod replicas and you happen to see me selling them, or you see this person selling a can opener, but you're somebody that is, you specialize in kitchen material or kitchen products, that's different, right? Because you're actually doing your product research, seeing a product that's in your category that's selling, and you have interest in it. And we want to make sure that the items we sell, we're one, interested in, but two, we can make sure that we'll have a passion behind it to making sure at least the customer will like it. So I got to put myself, especially with the AirPod replicas, I had to put myself in the position of the customer to make sure that these AirPods working out, or worked when it came to selling on eBay and MERCARI. Made sure that it worked to actually satisfy the customer that is purchasing it. And that is very important, not to just follow somebody, but instead make sure that you're doing exactly what you need to do to make your business, your brand, represent you as the seller or as the owner, depending on exactly what business you have or what platform you're selling on. You have the full control just by making sure you're not following what other people are just doing. I cannot specify that enough. All right, now the next one is learn from your customers, and this is something I see a lot of students not doing. Okay, so prime example, I have a student right now. He is on eBay, and his main thing is he wants to sell sneakers, okay? And he is selling, I think, the Giannis's, and those shoes. To me, they're ugly. They're ugly, okay? But he was selling them at a high rate when they first came out, but it slowed down, okay? And it slowed down because I'm assuming a lot of people don't like them, or they might want the Ja Morants now, or they might want some other type of shoe, right? But he does not change his sales approach. He just sticks with the Giannis shoes. And I'm like, bro, maybe they out of style. He's like, nah. They still in. And I'm not saying just always stick to trends. But one thing I will say is make sure that you're letting your customer base tell you what they want, instead of you acting out of emotion and thinking, oh, well, I really love these shoes, so I'm going to sell them. But if nobody wants to buy them, you're literally doing it for no reason, because it's not about what you like. It's not about your emotion. It's literally about the customer. All right, guys. So the third one is one that I see a lot of people, even in my Discord, doing, even on here. And also a lot of people that go into our MERCARI automation class. If you have not done it, if you have not become a part of my services, whether it's the MERCARI automation, eBay automation, whether it's the phone flipping academy, go to imhustlersmindset.com right now. And you need to go ahead and you need to check it out, because I've made a lot of people money, and I can help you make money. But I would tell you this, I'm just helping you. The real, okay, listen to me. The real benefit of working with me is that I always keep it real, but I also let you be authentically you. I don't take any credit, because it's not me, it is you. And remember, you're the one that is going to be making the money, okay? You're the one that's going to make it work for you, not me. I'm just here to be a cheerleader, to make sure that you're doing things to the right atmosphere, but you are the person that puts it in the right direction, because I may want to sell something a whole different way than you do. But I'm not saying your way doesn't work. It's just I'll show you the structure that I use, the structure that I found works for multiple individuals, and I want you to make it yours. So definitely check out imhustlersmindset.com, but it's all about making sure you stay true to you. When it comes to staying true to you, a lot of people end up cutting corners and they start trying to cheat. And when they start trying to cheat, it's, oh, well, Brandon, I know you said that I can get these chargers for $250, but on AliExpress they're selling for 75 cents. Bro, what do you think they're selling for 75 cents for? Do you think that that is going to be a quality that you'll be able to depend on? No, but instead you just want a cheap product because you're thinking about the profit. But see, a lot of businesses screw up because they're thinking so much about profit, but they're not thinking about retention. And the profit is cool, but why would you only want people to spend $1 with you one time when you can have somebody spend $1 with you 1,000 times? You have to understand that it's all about having a balance. I'm not saying overprice your products. I'm not saying pay over prices, but one thing I am saying is understand that nothing comes for free and nothing good comes from cheap. Understand that. Now, you do got people that price gouge, so you do have to do your product research, but you have to understand going cheap is never going to work, because you never want to put a cheap boat in the river and sacrifice the fact that you might sink. Okay, now it ain't no guarantee you might sink, but again, I want to have the best boat on the river that I can get. I want to have the best parachute that I can have jumping out of a plane. I don't want to sit there and say, all right, well, this parachute is about $20. The other one's about $75. You know what? I'm just going to go with the $20. No, I don't want to do that. I want to make sure that I have the best of the best, right? And the last one, guys, the last one is one that honestly I got from me. Okay, and that is be your business. If you're somebody that is seeing success in business, it's 9 times out of the 10 because you have a really good sense of what your business is and you project it. And what I found, especially when I first started with business, is I wasn't my business. I was more so somebody that conducted one, somebody that wanted to be an entrepreneur, but I wasn't an entrepreneur, because an entrepreneur, in my opinion, is somebody that is going to hold themselves accountable for the mistakes, but they're also going to celebrate the success, but they're also going to walk around and know that they're their business, whether I need a charger, I need a drone, I need a phone case, I need a screen protector. It's all my stuff because I am my business. And once you start to be your business, it's like now you start to see, okay, this screen protector don't stick on the phone well, so you know what, I shouldn't be selling this to customers because then they might cancel and return. Or, oh, this charger isn't charging fast enough. You know what? Let me scrap that because I'm sure the customer experience is going to be damaged from this. So being your business is going to show you different things that you may have missed out on if you weren't your business. All right, guys. So those are my 5, or how many things I didn't say it. Yeah, those are my 4 things. Ain't 5 things. Those are my 4 things. And I appreciate you guys so much for watching. I love you guys. Again, you ain't gonna get nothing but real over here. I ain't somebody that's about to give you no fluff. I'm all here, honestly, to help you and to show you guys how I failed and show you guys things that I've done so that you can do it in your own way and become 1% better every single day. So for everybody that's watching this, know that you can accomplish anything you put your mind to. Know that I am right here. All you got to do is type in Educated Hustler and your guy is here, man. You guys are the best, and I hope to see you guys soon. Thank you so much for watching. Peace.